Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. In this video, I am doing a gorgeous starry night kind of galactic resin bowl. This is a new mold that I've been working with for about a month now, and I just love it. It creates the most beautiful pieces, but of course the colors that you use don't hurt. So I'm using Mixed Media Girl Artist Resin, and I started off with a little bit of the diamond dust, but I wanted to move that out of the way so that I had kind of a clear bottom before going on to the next color. And this next color is Illuminate, and it's a custom color. I mixed 1 drop of the violet and 1 drop of the translucent blue, so made a very purpley kind of blue. And then I basically just went back and forth with the diamond dust and that purple until it was full. And when I pour them in, I let them settle down for a little while and move to the bottom, or rather the top of the bowl. If you try to just pour it all at once, you'll end up overflowing the mold. So just go slow and let it go down the sides. You can use a heat gun to kind of help speed up the process a little bit if you want, but I prefer to just let it do its thing. Definitely do not use a torch, as you will ruin your mold. Yeah, so I'm going back and forth. The diamond dust, by the way, is polycolor, and then the dyes that I used are Illuminate. Now, I also have mixed up some holographic stars that I got from Amazon, and I stirred those into a little bit of resin, and I didn't want to put those into the sides of the bowls because I thought it could maybe get stuck and cause some air bubbles and not quite go down. So I just put it into the bottom of the bowl and kind of push some of that color out of the way so I can make sure that the stars were definitely seen on the other side. And then I just spread them around a little bit, and that's about it. I was also worried about the stars sticking out and figured if they did, I could put a clear coat on the bottom, but it wasn't a problem at all. And to finish off with, I used some 91% isopropyl alcohol to get rid of the air bubbles. I let that cure overnight and then demolded it. Honestly, I demolded it a little bit early, so you can kind of tell as I'm pulling it out of the mold here that it's a little bit bendy, and it didn't totally hold its form as I was taking it out of the mold. But that's okay. It's really easy to just bend back into shape. And within about a day after this, it was fully cured and fully hardened. So here you go. This is the completed product. I think it's just gorgeous. I love it. Super fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you all next time.